What if I told you that your twin flame isn't rejecting your love because you are not enough? They're just rejecting because you don't learn how to receive love. They're just showing you the rejection what is in you. Hi, my name is Asha, and I'm an ascension coach with Twin Flames Universe, and I guide twin flames to heal their separation through consistent inner work. If you have been watching my videos, stay tuned in for this video because you have an important message in this video. If you have been pouring your heart out on your twin flame, but instead you are receiving silence, then it is not that they are rejecting you. They're just showing you a part of you who hasn't learned to receive love. Yeah, it is true. Here is what we get wrong with love and relationship. We think of it as something we need to get from someone. Like if you give a gift to someone, you may expect some nice words, or in turn, you expect something from them. That's not love. It is just a human need coming from a neediness perspective. Most of the time, it is an expectation placed on someone that they are going to give you what you have given to them. It doesn't happen with your twin flame because twin flame is you. For a long time, I just can remember that my mother, she always, looked like alone, sad, and helpless. She always, feel like helpless and alone, whether irrespective of the children were with her or not. My dad was living in another country because he was working there. So, because of that, obviously, in a relationship, she was always alone. So, I always saw her as like helpless, not supported. So, I think as a child, I have taken her feelings because I found myself always emotionally distant from my mom. She wasn't never unavailable emotionally. So this is one of the reasons the twin flame separation happens, because the twin flame will mirror back your unhealed inability to receive the love and support which probably you have created in your childhood. And this is something you really need to look at it. So let's talk about how this wound forms, because understanding this will help you to stop taking the rejection from your twin flame. So now think about your childhood. If any time this happened that like you reached out to your parents and you just wanted to probably like talk to them or wanted to give a hug, and your parent was in a stress or not in a good mood and they just stopped you. As a child, what you pick up is the love is pushed away. I am ignored, I am criticized. A child don't really conclude that my parent was having a hard day or they are stressed. As a child, you always take this deeper, that there is nothing, I am being loved here. So that wound doesn't disappear in your adulthood. It shows exactly where the most dangerous to show up, which is in your twin flame union, because there is an intimate, deep soul level connection with your twin flame. Because of this, the deep connection, twin flame will mirror that back to you being cold or being distant, because what they are showing you is like love isn't available for you, because there is a deep pattern within you, so which you are not even aware of. So, like my mother, I have learned from her in a very early in my childhood that probably love is always being alone, or maybe I cannot be vulnerable to show my feelings, because she hasn't shown me that it is safe to show her feelings. So I've taken that from my mother, and this is one of the reasons also the runner chaser dynamics exist, because runner is not really running from you, they're basically mirroring the runner within you, because you're not available to feel your feelings. So when you understand this becomes a true game changer in your journey, because once you have the clarity about what is going on as a pattern in you, you won't really make yourself wrong. Instead, you actually look the pattern within you and start looking at how can I heal this? How can I bring my nervous system into something to receive and being at peace? This is why the inner work is. So, in a twin flame relationship, the goal isn't to abandon yourself or neither trying to force your twin flame to love you back. The goal is your union because here both of you are capable of giving and receiving love freely and independently. You don't need to have a dependent relationship. But when your consciousness is programmed in a different way and there is a fear and there is a safety issue is existing because you somewhere believe that you can't receive love, then there is a problem. So this you can really heal from the root level. You can just shift this reality into something, reprogramming your conscious mind, subconscious mind. So you can change what is you have been operating from. Once you see this clearly, the deeper patterns, you will never actually ask whether your twin flame is really loving you back. Instead, you will look at the reflections in your own reality, in your own programming. So, and you can change your nervous system to learn to receive love. In twin flame relationship, the goal isn't to abandon yourself or trying to force your twin flame to love you back. The goal is your union, where both of you become capable of giving and receiving love freely and unconditionally. That's not something willpower can fix. It's something consciousness fixes. It's the inner work that do this change. It's becoming someone and meeting someone who can finally allow the love to be receiving. This is exactly kind of the precise root level shift we work together in my coaching program. So we won't really do anything on the surface level. There is only a shift in the consciousness that can change everything, which is healing the root cause of all your patterns. If you feel that you've been living in this way, there are patterns you really wanted to heal, then you really wanted to become someone who wanted to receive love, and then you can really reach out to me. You don't really wake up in the middle of the night and then start thinking what is your twin flame is doing. All you need to do is the inner work. So this journey is about unconditionally loving your twin flame and learning what is love and changing that shift in your own space. This change can actually move your union faster. And if you feel that this video really helped you to understand the core of the separation consciousness, then reach out to me, book a clarity call, check my website. You have enough of information there. And don't forget to follow me and subscribe this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.